tweeted about my Goa trip. I'm going to Goa. It's 15 today, and my train will depart at 10 p.m. So hopefully we'll reach Goa by morning 7 a.m. I guess. So let's see. Hopefully the vlog will be very good. Let's see what happens. So guys, it's 16th of December and I have reached Madgaon station. Currently I am waiting for my friends because they have gone to get 2 Activas so that we can go to the hotel, and we are not getting a prepaid cab because it is very expensive, 1400 rupees to just go from here to like North Goa. So instead of that we are getting 2 Activas and we are like gonna go on Activa from here to the hotel. And our hotel is at Kalangut beach, somewhere near that. So let's go.
This is Earth Radio. And now here's human music.
So as you can see, our room is completely in mess, and I don't really know like what we are gonna do. It's 4 p.m. currently. We were extremely tired, so I was not even vlogging, and we also skipped our lunch. So let's see what do we do now, and it's 16 today, so let's see what we do. So right now I am at Kalangut beach, and just look at the view. It is just amazing. So today we don't really have any plans, and we might go to casino to play. Like I'm not really interested in it, but few people are, so we will go to casino, and after that maybe we will do some time pass at the hotel. That's it. For today we are just like resting. From tomorrow onwards we will go for some activities and we will do something. Let's see. So right now we are leaving for casino. You can see everybody is wearing formals because we are going casino, and hopefully it will be good. This is my first time I'm like going. I don't really know like how to play games. Let's see what happens. There are some experts with me, so they'll teach me how to play, and hopefully it should be fun. So I was here at the Casino Pride, and it was an amazing experience, and I also made some loss over here because it was my first time. Nevertheless, it was a great experience, and yeah, I enjoyed it. So all that matters is enjoyment, for me at least. So guys, this place is actually very good, but one of the mistakes that we made is that we came at 12 or 1 I guess, and you can see I'm sweating. So if you're coming to this place, then I would recommend you to come in the morning or maybe after 4. Let me show you one of the most amazing beaches that I have seen in Goa. This is the best beach that I have seen. Trust me guys. Just look at it. The water is so clean, so like literally so clean. I have never seen such kind of a beach. In Mumbai, the Juhu beach is really, really bad. So compared to that, this thing is amazing, superb. clips from the Kandolim beach. It was a very good beach, and if you're coming to Goa, then I would recommend you to go to this particular beach. It was really good. Apart from it, we have seen 2 to 3 other beaches, but I really liked this Kandolim beach, which is like nearby Kingfisher Villa, I guess. So if you're coming to Goa, then do go to that beach. Today we are going somewhere in a restaurant, I guess. They call it Curly's, which is a famous restaurant here in Goa. A lot of people recommended us, so we are going there. Let's see how it is. Was actually really good, but the way, like from where we were going to this place, the way was very scary. The roads were not at all good, but the place was actually good. It was something different, and
for non-vegetarians.
yeah, like it is really good for people who eat non-vegetarian food. I am a vegetarian, so I was just having a iced tea. That's it. So yeah, day 2 here. So day 2 ends here. That's it for today. See you tomorrow. So it's day 4 today, and it's 9:30 or 9:40 in the morning. Everyone is still sleeping, and me and Siddharth will be going for some activities. These two guys won't be coming. And one of the mistakes that I did yesterday was we kept all our bags in that near the beach, and I just kept my t-shirt over there, and I forgot my t-shirt. It was a brand new t-shirt, so I'm feeling really bad for that, because that was one of my favorite t-shirts. Anyways, today we are going for some activities, and hope it should be like good and fun. Let's see. Let's go. So right now we are going for a ride, like that will be of 1 hour, 20 minutes ride. In that we will do snorkeling. We'll also see some dolphins, and they will show us some points. So hopefully it will be good. And you can see, like, I'm already set. There is our boat. So let's go. Can you see the dolphins over there? No. Yes, I can. Hotel, and we did all those activities over there. It was amazing. Also, I went to that Kandolim beach again to get the t-shirt, and I got the t-shirt, thankfully. So that was good. And now we are having lunch over here at this Udupi restaurant, which is amazing for vegetarians, because we are vegetarians. Yeah, that's it. Now I don't know what I am gonna do. I think we will rest for some time, and then maybe we'll go out. It's the last day today. Tomorrow we are leaving for Mumbai again. Tomorrow we are leaving for Mumbai again. So let's see. So it's end of the day 4, and today we had a lot of fun in doing all those activities, and it was an amazing day. I enjoyed a lot, and I guess this trip is coming to an end. We are gonna go back to Mumbai tomorrow. So I think this will be the last part. So I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I will be coming back with a new vlog That will be in the month of January, second week I guess, because in the first week I'm going to Jaipur and Run of Kutch. So if you are interested in more vlogs, then definitely hit that red subscribe button if you are new to the channel. Also make sure you follow me on all my social media networks because I post a lot of things over there. So those who are following me over there, they know that I have posted a lot of things, a lot of pictures and videos. So make sure you follow me on all my social media networks. That's it. This is Saurabh Naha here. Bye guys.